That really is one not cute suitcase. Hi guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, it is currently early in the morning, golden hour. That's why it's like super bright and harsh on my face right now. I thought I'd explain this video a little bit before we get into it because I haven't really talked about what I'm doing at all. Basically, as I mentioned a couple times on this channel, I'm part of a touch team, and this weekend we have a tournament that I'm heading to. I'm in the car right now because I'm going to school. I have a couple hours that I have to go to classes still. That didn't make sense, but you get what I mean. And then at 12 o'clock we leave for the airport, and tomorrow and the day after we have our games. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this, and that kind of explains what I'm doing a little bit. I just dropped off the suitcase, so now I'm off to class, unfortunately. Today is actually such a nice day. Wow. First class of the day is done. Oh, it's so bright.
My eye yesterday when we were walking down the street.
Okay, I just had my last class. I low-key got let out late, so I'm kind of rushing right now. I'm gonna go pick up my luggage and then make my way to the bus.
And all it took was a smile for you to capture me. You got me
on the bus. We're on the bus now. It's about like 15 minutes left until we get there, and then our flight leaves in about 2 hours from now. Okay, we're standing in line to check in right now. We've been here for like 20 minutes and they're taking forever because they only had one of the like counters open, but I think they now open another one, so we should be through here very soon. We have an hour till we have to be at the gate, so we're getting some food right now. We're standing in line at McDonald's. I'm just gonna get a quick veggie burger and some fries.
You got me turning around so I can ask your name.
Pembantu terbang Encik Syed Daniel mengucapkan selamat datang ke pesawat.
Let's go.
Feel this way. Well, oh baby.
We're on the bus now, and somehow our whole team managed to discover this game called Bit Life. And I kid you not, every single person on the bus is playing it right now. It's so great. Would recommend downloading. This is not a sponsored video. It's just a fun game.
I should insult him back. He called me.
Yeah, insult him.
And a dinghead.
Yeah, we have an hour to like play this game now. I don't know what we're doing with our lives. We made it to the room and we kind of like set up our stuff a little bit. Here's our bed, and then I have my suitcase here. And then we have Christy. Cute. We're gonna go get dinner now. There's like a huge mall kind of across the street, so hopefully we can find some good food with the squad. Okay, we decided on Chinese food for dinner. So we all got hey, I'm sorry. We decided on Taiwanese food for dinner, so we all got dumplings and different Taiwanese food.
Taiwan. See?
Yeah.
You stole my love when you said that I had yours to keep. And all at once I knew you were my everything.
And we are back in the room. We are gonna take a shower and then head to bed. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Peace out. I will see you guys in the morning. I hope the footage for this vlog is good. Like, I'm so scared. What if it's like all horrible? These are our morning outfits. We're gonna go to breakfast now. We're super tired, but hopefully the food is good. I feel so crusty. Okay, we just got to the school and we're waiting to start warming up. Everybody's changing, filling up their water bottles. It's that type of thing, just to prepare for the games. It's super hot and sunny outside, so I'm really hoping that I won't get a sunburn. But we're gonna try and put on sunscreen and prevent that from happening and prevent heat stroke because it's really hot. I don't know.
tracer.
I'm already chaser.
What about Widowmaker?
I'm already Widowmaker.
We played a B team first and we won 7-1, I believe. And next we're playing the same school's A team, which we're gonna try and win, but we'll see how it goes.
And then they have 20 minutes.
So by then, the second half, you went on your knees, and that was, no, you scored 3.
Circle while we stand. Phoenix on 3! 1, 2, 3, Phoenix!
We're gonna win. We got this! The cafe at this place is so cute. Wow. They have like little houses that you can sit in. Whoa. I'm so sweaty. Oh my god. I got a coffee. Oh my god. This stuff is so good.
I'm gonna get a coffee. Sorry.
Dude, this looks so weird. If you're wondering why I have like tape on my ears, it's because I have piercings and I don't want them to get ripped out.
I know, guys, but hurry up.
Make sure you give me your best shot, girls. Walk it. Give me your biggest smile.
Do you want to say anything? I feel like you're literally in the back of everyone just being like,
We won our last game, so now we're in finals.
yeah, we're about to play finals. Hopefully we'll win. I look bald. It's okay. None of us ate lunch, so we've all been like eating like chips and cookies and all of the above. All of the above. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty.
You need proof that you actually wrote this.
Oh, I just realized I'm sitting by the trash can.
And I got Good life overview.
Izzy, go down. Go down. Yes.
Are you okay?
Christmas time.
Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months.
Yeah. We just got juices. Now we're going to Forever 21 because the one in Singapore is just really bad. They're like a chunk. The one in Singapore is really bad and I think it's closing. I don't even know. So yeah, we need to find it because I don't know where it is. So we're gonna see if we can find anything. Also, these juices are very good. I would recommend, recommend Juice Works. We got lost and we're like 10 minutes late and we're about to get like yelled at. I still don't know. Here, right? Is it? Oh, there.
But the walking will freeze, that happens again. Now what I want you to do.
Dude, I want to learn how to dance so badly.
After your triple slide, drop it low and pick it up just like this. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do some just dances because we're bored and we're just trying to make ourselves more tired than we already are. It is currently like 11:15, 11:30, something along those lines. But we are both dead. I am about to pack my suitcase a little bit because it's a mess and we have to leave quite early, so I want to have that ready to go so I'm not like stressing about it in the morning and I don't have to freak out too much because I'm not a morning person. Well, so I have to stress about it because I'm not a morning person, so otherwise I'm gonna like shut up.
Do it again, that was bad.
Okay, so I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna brush my teeth, get ready for bed, and just hope that I don't wake up with super sore muscles tomorrow because we still have 2 games that we're playing that are just friendlies before we leave. I don't know why it feels so hot in the room. Maybe it's just because we were like jumping around and dancing and stuff like that, but Christy keeps insisting that it's way too cold and I'm like sweating. This is such an ugly shot. Ew. Okay, update. Most of my suitcase is packed and then I have clothes laid out for tomorrow as well as like my water bottle and stuff. I brushed my teeth and now I'm gonna go to sleep and I will see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. It is 8:43 in the morning and we're on the bus to go back to the school to play a couple of games of touch. I didn't really have time to film in the morning, but we basically just packed our suitcase and got ready to go, ate a little bit of breakfast, and now we're on the way. I'm super tired, but I'm excited because today we go home, so I get to sleep in my own bed tonight and actually get good sleep. Yay! This girl keeps stealing my blanket in the middle of the night. This noise is actually the most satisfying thing ever. Today is a bit more cloudy than yesterday, which is kind of nice because yesterday was super hot to play, but hopefully it doesn't start raining. We just did warm up and I'm already sweating. It started raining. Blush up. The coaches gave us watermelon.
Hi, Hannah.
Hello. Hannah. Yeah, you go, girl. Three, 2, 1, go. I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. Good game. Good game.
Hey! This is the new trend. Like we have to go around the world, and then.
And now we're gonna go shower. And we are clean. I have to wear this to the airport because I was stupid and I didn't pack well, but that's okay. It really shows off my nice tan. Now we're just waiting to leave to go to the airport. Is that cringy? That's kind of cringy, whatever. Quality snack. So hyped, oh my god.
Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need.
Okay, so we're now at the airport. Everybody else basically just got food. I'm super hungry because they didn't really have anything I could have. Vegan. But it's fine, I'll just eat when I get home. We're just about to board the plane, so I will be home soon and see my mom again. Ooh, okay.
I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song.
You already know we have some food. As you guys can see, I am finally back home. It feels so good to be back in my own room. I basically unpacked everything quite quickly because I didn't bring that much since it was only like a weekend. And now I'm just kind of chilling out. I think I'm gonna watch a bit of Netflix and just relax. I want to go to bed early, so I don't want to like rile myself up. I'm just gonna send over a couple of the pictures that we took and then I have no more responsibilities. It is now 9:40 in the evening. I literally have done nothing with the rest of my day. I watched the movie on Netflix and then I just went on my phone, kind of sat around, wasted time. I'm gonna go to bed now and get some rest because tomorrow we have another 2 touch games. And then I have to come home and edit this entire video and grind. So I'm gonna try and go to bed early, get some rest because I'm still super tired from the long day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys are actually interested in the touch part or if you just liked me vlogging, whatever it is. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.